Do you ever do pull downs when you're working out? If so, listen up. There are some key things that you need to keep in mind in order to make sure you are getting the most from this exercise. Hey, welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday, where all month long we are going to be talking about the pull down exercise. There are some very specific things that you need to keep in mind to make sure that this exercise is both safe and effective for you.
This week on Trainer Tip Tuesday, we are talking about the pull-down machine and specifically how to position your torso, whether that's straight up and down, angled back, or angled forward. Before doing any exercise, you should always check your active range of motion. The way you should check your active range of motion here on the pull-down is to see how high you can raise each arm. So Charlie is raising each arm, and we're checking to see if there's any limits. Now, they seem pretty similar, but as you can see, he can't reach them so that they're level with his ear. He's kind of angled forward just a little bit. So what we want to do is, as he reaches for the handlebars, we want to see that he doesn't violate that range of motion, meaning he's not leaning far enough forward that it's pushing his shoulders past where he could otherwise. So if you have really limited motion and you're maybe at this type of position, what you want to do is you want to angle yourself away from the machine so that your shoulder is in more of an acute angle to match your active range of motion.
Keep these tips in mind the next time you do the pull down exercise to make sure you're getting the most out of it that you can.